I have the sudden urge to use Super Baby 2 in PvP right now. Okay, so we have the first opponent who is not using Vegito. Okay, so this is gonna double up as a Super Saiyan 4 showcase. Why? Because I want to see how well this man does against the newest purple. Okay, guess I can't swipe. Oh wow, man does nothing. Oh, dude. Alright. No! I was expecting him to drop. Nope, bitch. I really thought that was gonna work. You silly, silly monkey. Don't swap! Oh, now you gotta, now you gotta swap, my man! Uh-oh. He can't swap back in the hit.
He can swap back in the hit? Excuse me? What in the sub-count manipulation fuck is that?
No, I'm not taking that, bitch. Suck my dick. I got a pot main. Green.
He had a green, no!
Going away? No? Okay. Whoop-de-doo! Oh no. Don't. You fucking idiot. Swap into you? Because I know you nullify endurance. I'm not wasting that, bitch. Alright. Uh-oh. Uh-oh! Give me my key back? I could have got that forfeit screen. My bad. Alright, well, move on to the next match right now. Okay, Vegito, yeah! Oh, you running that rat bastard? Oh, I'm gonna fucking put you in the dirt so bad. Now I hold the power. Well, as they say, now I have the... Oh, God, that was... Sorry for putting you through that. Jesus Christ, that was horrible. Tackle? Yep! Swap. Watch this. Watch this harder. He's gonna swap into Vegito right now. Right now. Oh, really? That was meant... I don't know why I didn't break out. Oh, wait. He's locked in? Why is he doing so much? You had a boost, big dog. Okay. 2. Swipe. 3. He can't combo anymore. Final flash! Okay, he just immediately does that. Nope, bitch. Look at that damage. I don't know why the hell is G4 doing so much. Dude, can you like stop? Like, nice job. You sure about this? Your second counter gauge dog, big dog. That's going already. Oh, full screen. Okay, don't go right away. Cool. 3, okay. You really thought I wasn't going to rush you, you idiot. You are nothing but a fused monkey. You are truly nothing but a monkey. Transform all you like. A monkey is still just a monkey. Right. Top main. Ooh! Oh my god, he's fucked. You can't do anything. Grovel at the might of Super Baby 2. Uh-oh. Is that type neutrality gonna save you? From these dastardly striking crits? It appears not. Oh, fuck, wait, he can't. No, you bitch! Oh, you fucking asshole. Look at that damage. Oh, am I fighting against Vegito or Metal Cooler? You think I'm just gonna let them take it? Fuck no, I'm just gonna go on, you idiot. I don't care about my pathetic. Let's see. You think I care? No, I have the. Let's see, are you stupid? I fucked up. Really? One. I should. What the fuck am I doing? I should have just vanished that. You're oh wait, no, I didn't want to guess him. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Forfeit. Uh-oh. Time for the You may be a Vegito, but this little rat piece of shit will always find a way. Alright, let's move on to the next match. Okay, we have whatever the hell. Okay, cool. Oh, wait, no Vegito, cool. Okay. Alright, let's see. What are you gonna do, buddy? Okay. 2, 3. Swap out. Okay, cool. He's just gonna fucking do that. He's gonna do yumpy yumps every time. That doesn't increase sub count. Okay. You just gonna sit there, kid, or? This isn't a drop, fuck. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hmm. 3, 2, 1. Okay, he waited that entire time. Cool. Oh, yay, Vegeta! Vanish. That's not gonna. Is that gonna kill? Okay, this is the first. No, he's not. Vanish. 1. Dude. Okay, he's playing like this. Okay, cool. That's not gonna do anything, dog. Like. I can't do anything, dude. I have nothing. PV'd. Overdrive! Alright. Damage. Health. Health. He went all health, didn't he? You fucking bastard. Okay. That's a green, right? Oh, that's a blue? Oh, wait, I filled up my gauge. Dude, are you done yet? Like... Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, kid. He hasn't gone for a quick attack all game, so no point in this. Okay, like... Okay, sick, kid. Do I have any mains? I do have some mains, yeah. Dude, he plays like a bitch, right? This should connect, right? Yep. Bitch, you thought. Yeah! Use my rush on him, yeah. Yep. This guy's just not enjoying the game in the slightest right now. Like, goddamn, kid. You wanna play? You just wanna wait in the back. Dude, look at his team. This is not fun, kid. Well, yeah, because he doesn't even go for tackles. He's just gonna wait. Well, he likes to backdash, so if I just... Oh my fucking god. 2, 3. There, you shouldn't be able to combo, right? Hello? Tap, kid. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He broke out of it. Are you kidding me? Hello, lag? No. Hello, sidestep. Okay. 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Damn, this guy plays like a bitch, though. I should have... Dude, okay. I could combo... Oh, he never used that. Second rush. Don't care if I'm toxic. Don't care if I'm toxic. Let's see. That's 2. If you don't guess this, you're probably fucked. Woo! Let's see. 2 successful rushes. Overdrive guess. Baby ultimate. 14 million. I don't think you can come back from this, man. What'd you get for playing passively, you bitch? Okay, so this is gonna be the final match, and oh boy. Let this continue. Okay, we loaded in. We got an unplayable hand. Can I back up? Thank you. And of course, the game immediately fucks me over. That's not doing it. Let's see, 1. That's 2. 3. Uh-oh, you can't do it. Hello? Is he unsealed or some shit? PV Lamau. The most loved mechanic in the game, am I right? We all love PVs. I'm waiting till his type neutral runs out. There we go. There we go. Swap in. Flash! Alright, let's see. So I'm tapping here. Oh my fucking god, of course. As soon as I go for something, just immediately has the blue queued up. Goes full screen! Three, okay. You can't combo anymore, kid. He has a blue, okay. That's not gonna do anything. Give me this, please! Oh boy. You need my rush? Alright, we got our rush. Got our rush. Should've popped that earlier, kid. This is annoying team. Yeah, because he has endurance. Endurance and revival. This is a really toxic fucking team. Okay. Yeah, I fell for the fucking jump. I should have delayed that second one. Damn, it fucking sucks. Alright, so we're alone with this Vegito for a little bit. Can't rush. She's probably gonna have a full hand, so I can't tackle even. Or, you know, I can't do anything. How full's my gate? Oh, wait, he went out cover null. $10, he said he had a blue. Can I tackle? That was meant to be a fucking tackle, dude. Okay. He immediately swapped out? Okay, game. Okay. He doesn't have anything. He can't do shit. There we go. Okay, good. Fuck, I should've just went with that thing. Okay, good. What a convenient time to lag. You sure about this? You were sure about that, big dog? Like... Let's see. He's letting this go. Smart play. He's not type neutral, right? Yeah, he's not type neutral. Ooh, and the 3.5 is fucking... Let's see. We still have our anti-rising rush, so we can't rush. Gotta be aware of blues, though. Full screen! Oh, no. Okay, my charge shot doesn't want to work. Oh, that hit? That hit me? That's some horse shit. Swap into you. Why? Because this is gonna be a hard read. If he goes for a blue, he's fucked. And this gets guessed. Yeah. He never used either of his Vegito ults. Oof, let's go. And this is Super Saiyan 4. Alright, that's the last match. If this video gets fucking 5 billion likes, or aka over 20, I'll do a fucking Vegito summon, because why the hell not? Alright, bye.